Welcome back to the HTML5 video course, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss about division, paragraph tag, span tag and EM tag. Okay, so what is the purpose of having this kind of tag? In HTML we do have many kinds of tags, and we are going to discuss only some of them. And in this, first is div tag. Each and every tag has its own purposes in HTML world. Okay, first of all, div tag. Div tag represents that there is a division. So whenever you wanted to make some division, then you need to go for the division tag. Okay, division is nothing but the div tag. P stands for paragraph tag. Let's first discuss about those two. So all over this video course, I'm going to speak about the tags and its respective standards which we're going to use and which must have to follow. Okay, there won't be any issue if you haven't follow any other standard. So first of all, we just go to div tag, and within this div tag we can directly have some content like lorem. So I just, this is a automatic generated content using emmet syntax. Okay, so save it and flip to browser to check the output. Yeah, we have got that output, but still this is not the right way to use. Okay, so we have directly given some text in the division tag. I previously told that the division tag is used to divide the application. For example, in my application homepage, I could have different division tag to make different sections. Example, one division tag to take care of the about us section, one division tag to take care of why our application section, one division tag could take care of our addresses, contact details. So those kind of division could be taken care by the division tag. But here I have written directly some text within the division tag, but that is not the good way. The good way is to wrap their content using paragraph tag. Okay, this is the right way to do so, because I'm having one division tag. In the division tag, I'm having one parent tag. This parent tag having the some content. Likewise, you could have a number of paragraph tag within the division tag. Apart from the division tag, we do have some other content. Example, span tag and EM tag. I will create another set of the same thing, and I'm going to use some span tag here. The purpose of the spanning tag is used to, whenever you wanted to design or style some inline content, then you could go for span tag. Okay, so in my case, I have a parent division tag. Within the division tag, I have a parent tag, but I wanted to add some unique style to some of the content which present within the paragraph tag. Then I'm going for span tag. Of course, we can use p tag, but that is not the good standard to use. So I have used span tag to color, saved it, and move back to your browser, and you could see the color has been modified. The purpose of having EM tag is to italicize the content. I tag is being outdated. You could see the last one has been generalized. That is because of the EM tag.